So, last slide for us for accessing just one individual element, but there may be cases where we want to access more than one element. Say we want to access from, I don't know, remember this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say we want the first two elements. So if you want the first two elements, you should write 0, colon, 2, 2, okay? And this should give you Robert and Chris. Okay, notice that the second element is not inclusive. Okay, so although you write like 2, it's the upper limit, it's not inclusive. So if you want all but the last element, you should write 0 to 3 and to 4, sorry. And there you should get Robert, Chris, Scarlett, Mark, and Mark. Okay, or maybe you just want something in the middle, maybe from the second to the fourth. As you're like thinking, probably you should get just like Scarlett and Mark. Okay, and finally, you can also use negative numbers. So let's say you want, I don't know, -3 and -2. This should give exactly the same result as the previous one. Okay, so this should be Scarlett and Mark. Remember, this one is not inclusive, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so if you want, that's pretty much it. You just need to define the interval. Okay, so you just need to be very careful. So this should be the start, and this would be the end. But this one is not inclusive. Just remember that, guys.